Good Friday morning. Today we are going to do some math. Miss Cashin's assignment is to do questions 1 through 6. We're looking at zeros and negative exponents. I'm going to do some of the questions with you, and then you'll have the rest to do on your own. If you need any help, go ahead and message me. Okay? Okay. If you don't know how to convert to Cami or don't want to, and you do this on a piece of paper, make sure that you take a picture of your piece of paper and attach it to today's assignment and send it to her. All assignments need to be submitted to Mrs. Cashin. Okay, hopefully you've watched the video and understand how to do this. But if you didn't understand it even after you've watched the video, hopefully I can help you out. Okay, so we have 5 to the negative third. Whenever you have a negative exponent, it's actually being divided. So we have 5 to the third. So pretty much all I did was just move it down to the bottom, or the denominator, and took out the negative sign, okay? And 5 to the third is 125. Okay, let's look at letter B, only because this is something new for you guys, and it's 0 to the 6. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay, let's look at question number D. Okay, so we have x to the 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So we have 4 times 1, which is 4. Okay, let's look at E, and I'll also look at, well, anything times 0 is 1. So 4 times x to the 1 is 1. Okay, now when we're looking at positives and negative exponents, the positive exponent is going to go on the top, so y to the 4th. The negative exponent is going to go to the bottom, x to the 2nd. Okay, that's all you need to do with that one because there's no numbers to figure anything out. Okay. Question number 2, which of the following is not, there's your keyword, not equivalent to 2 to the negative 3? Okay, so we know that 2 to the negative 3 is written like this. And 2 to the negative 3 is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 1 over 8. Okay, so let's see. We can get rid of 1. We can get rid of 2. Well, if it's 1 to the negative 8, it's probably not negative 6. But let's see in my calculator, if I take 1 and I divide by 8, the answer is 0.1 or 0.125. So it's not 3. And the answer is, oops. Whoa. Sorry about that. I don't know what just happened. So the answer is 2. Okay. For number 3, it says if f of x equals 12 times 2 to the x, which of the following represents the value of f of negative 2? So wherever I have that x, I'm going to put in a negative 2. So 12 times 2 to the negative 2. Okay. Well, 2 to the negative 2 is 1 over 2 to the 2. And 2 to the 2 is 1 over 4 because 2 times 2 is 4. 12 times a fourth is 3. Now, when you do your homework for Miss Cashin, and if you're doing it on paper, you can't just circle 3. You need to show the work. Okay? Number 4 is done the same way. We're just going to substitute in negative 1 for our x, so I'll leave that one for you to do. Number 5, the numerical expression is equivalent to, well, remember that when we have exponents raised to a power, we're going to multiply those. So 3 times 2 is 6. And then 2 times 4 is 8. Okay. When they have the same base, we subtract. And we see that the largest exponent is in the denominator. So we're going to put it down here. 8 minus 6 is 2. Put a 1 up on the top. And 5 to the second is 25. Okay. And 6 is your last problem. And I'm only going to do, let's see. I'm only going to do letter C. That looks the most difficult. So you don't have to do any problems after 6. Okay. 28 divided by 21. Both are divisible by 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 21 divided by 7 is 3. Okay. Let's look at our exponents. Okay. 6 is the largest exponent, so that means my x is going to go on the top. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. Don't forget when you're doing letter B, the x actually has a 1 with it. Let's do letter B too. Sorry. So 6 and 2, they have 2 in common. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, we're looking at our exponents. 8 is the largest one, so my x is going to go on the bottom. 8 minus 1 is 7. And then that's it. Okay, so go ahead and complete the remainder of the problems yourself. There's not that many left to do. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me a message. Let me know. Okay, bye.